Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so sorry I've been gone for a while. I haven't really had time to upload because my life right now is just, but I'm back with a new video. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. I'm only going to be using one palette today. I'm going to use my James Charles palette, and the first color I'm going to pick up is this red, and I'm going to put that in my crease. So next I'm going to be using the orange right here to help me blend out the edges. If you guys ever have harsh lines you can't get rid of, go back into the previous color and blend it out with that brush. You don't have to pick up any more product. Just, y'all saw how I just did that with the one I put the red down with. Okay, so now I'm going to take some yellow. I'm going to take a large blending brush with no product in it, and I just always do this to make sure everything is blended flawlessly. So I'm going to take some of this shade right here. I believe it's called No Beams. I'm going to put that one in my crease. So to blend it out, I'm going to go back to the E17 brush, which is the one we put down the red with. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. Going back to No Beans to blend out the corner, and then after I blend it out, I'm going to put a little bit of this one. The first color I'm going to use on my crease is the orange that we were using earlier. Just this one right here. I'm going to take that and pack that like kind of in the corner of my eyelid. Alright, right beside that, I'm going to take, which one did I use? Okay, so right beside that, I'm going to be using this one right here. Okay, so using this color right here, I'm gonna use an angled brush and trace out my crease. I'm gonna do a thin line of eyeliner, my mascara, and my lashes, and then I will be back. So I'm gonna line my waterline with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. It's just a white eyeliner. And then I'm gonna take this purple right here and just go on top of the white. And then I'm gonna use the same brush. This is the M432. I'm gonna pick up this one right here and smoke that out, or smudge that out. Okay, so for my eye, I have to turn the brightness down so y'all can see. But yeah, I'm gonna use this gold one right here and put that in the inner corner of my eye and also highlight my face. And I'm gonna just set my face really quick using the NYX matte setting spray. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I don't know why I feel like I already did this look, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.